So, hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your Pocket. And if you remember, Google has released Diffusion Gemma, an experimental open model that explores an exceptional fast approach to text generation. In short, it generates text 4 times faster than any other LLM. It's very fast and it doesn't follow the traditional way of LLM generation token by token, but it follows diffusion modeling, which is followed by image generation for generation of text also, which is quite interesting. In the short video, I will explain you how you can access the free API key. Yes, you heard it right. To use diffusion gamma, this is how diffusion works. It starts off with random words and denoising starts. Eventually, you get to the right sentence. This is how image generation also operates. I'm not deep diving into how the model works, but right now we are more interested into exploring the free API key. Yes, you heard it right. The free API key to test out the model for free. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to go to NVIDIA's NIMS platform, where you can see you can go to the model section. I'll be sharing the link in the comment section, so don't worry about it. As you can see, on the most recent one, it has Diffusion Gemma 26B A4B8, which is now has a free endpoint also. If you click here, you get the codes on how to run the model. So first of all, you need to log in with your account on NVIDIA NIM platform and then click on generate API key. Once you click on generate API key, as you can see at the bottom, the API key has been generated. Just copy the entire code and then hit it on Google Colab so that you can access it. Don't try to copy paste my API, I will delete this. So I'm not hiding it from you guys now. You just need to copy paste everything here, and in the content just write something. For example, I'm writing it hey, and let's hit enter. This might take some while. As you can see in the previous case, when assisting it, or this was the output that came in. The user said, hey, this is a standard greeting, should be responded with politeness and offer. It's connecting for a while. If you want to test out anything other prompt, just take your API key here and then change the content here. Don't change the role, but just the content part. You can also change the token thing also. Here you can see that this is the output that has come in. You can check it out. Now you can use the most prolific AI models for free with the free API key using NVIDIA NIMS. Diffusion Gemma is one of the latest trending models on Hugging Face, also at #1, and now you can access that model for free on using the API key. As the model is quite huge, 26 billion parameters, not everyone can run it in your local system, hence such API key becomes very crucial. So with this, it's a wrap. I hope you tried Diffusion Gemma using NVIDIA NIMS free API key, and let me know in the comment section how you feel about the model. Thank you so much. Hope you have a great day.